Kulimbula people, Kulimbula. Welcome back to another vlogs. Today people, it's Saturday and I'm going down to the farm just to update you for my farm, because I do a previous video of seeds budins. Yeah, the seeds just gonna update you for the seeds, and then I want to show you guys that we have a rugby team, and then like staying in the village is hard to get earn money for every people, every bush. So today we're gonna just showcase you how we earn money for a rugby team like that, how we make things to earn money in the village as a group like that. So yeah, and the weather today people, it's cloudy. It's a cloudy day today, and it's windy, cloudy. So yeah, it's nice. Time to go to the farm. It's 8 o'clock now. We're heading down to the farm. So people, this is how does the weather look like today, and 100% degree of view. So yeah. So people, what I'm talking about is how the team earning their money, and then other team earn their money for the group. So each of we're gonna make tea this afternoon. That is one thing that we did to earn money in like a group of team like that. So yeah, there's a previous video already about to coming out. It's how we do our making life rich in the village, like planting. When it's mature, we harvest it and then sell it to the market and everything like that, just to earn money. So yeah, let's go and see the farm. So people, I'm at the farm now. This is my sheep. Yeah, I'm just gonna go and show you guys how was the seeds. Let's update you guys about the seeds. So yeah, let's go. This is some taro for Christmas. So if you want some taro, just come and eat this taro. So now people, look at the cabbage section. But now people, look at the cabbage. Look. Look at it. This is the cabbage people. And the other side, you can see the tomato seeds and some eggplant seeds over here. Mix more so you can get stronger. So yeah. So people, my plan today, in common sense, I will do the weeding today, because Our rugby team is planning for, like, we're gonna do 1 hour farming in each of every person. Yeah, each of every person 1 hour. So I'm gonna do the weeding today. You know, when the teams come, they just come and then duki. So make the easier work. So when they come, they're gonna plant the cabbage here. I'm gonna weeding and then plant the cabbage, and they're gonna do the duki and planting. I'm just gonna do the weeding, the wedding. So yeah, let's go. So people, I already done my weeding over there. Go straight over there. Straight on there. So I'm finished. And then one thing, people. One thing. It's like it's the problem. It's like the one that take away our, like the one good source of our money. It's Yangona. And then it's been lots of years past years, we are zero population of grog in the island. And now it's like 4 years, 3 years. No, 3 years, 3 to 4 years. And then we are trying, I try to get back and plant Yangona. It's not from I didn't bring the Yangona plants from the other island. It's just some of the grog. They're still alive in my farm. And then I go cut down some Yangona plants. And then I try to replant it and then seed again after 3 years. Yeah. So let's see. So people, this is something I'm gonna plant. I already planted a few days ago. This is some yeah, over there on this side. So yeah, let's see, because they say, some elders say in the village, some old person in the village say, only your job, some people say, only your job is to put on the soil. The rest, you will leave it to God. So this is my fork. So I'm gonna continue like 8 more, and then we will see what else we gonna do in the farm today. So for now, people, it's time to plant. Times to plant the Yangona. Here's the Yangona. This is. So this is what you're gonna do. Just gonna comb well the soil, and then you look nicely where the eyes of the Yangona is. This is the eyes. This one, that small dot over here. And then you dip it down like that, and then do it like a triangle. That's my technique, like a triangle shape. This one. And then take a soil and then squeeze it. So that is, that's how we plant yangar. And this is the taro, lots of more over here. I think we're gonna clean it later. So yeah, another one here. Just the same technique. Because we didn't have so much plant, so because of we didn't have more young gonna plants, so we're gonna plant it like 3, 2, some 2, and then the same technique. Just look at the eyes, and then look at the eyes, and look at the eyes, and then see, that's it. And then the other side, just squeeze it nicely. Squeeze it, take away the rock and everything, and then ready to plant. Then this one goes over there, this one goes over here, and this one goes over here. And then bulu time. So yeah, and this is the last one. And this one I have 2 eyes, one over here and the other one over here. Remember, it should be go straight over here. The eyes to the eyes, the eyes to the eyes. And there's the other one, goes over there. And then below. So we will see, people. We will see. We will see how it goes. So yeah. So people, tomorrow is gonna be Sunday, and as soon as I walk down to the farm, Tachan is shouting to bring some cassava for them, and then I can come to his farm, and because my other cassava farm is on the other side, just go back to like this village and then go up, and then I can't go. I can walk because I have to make the kettle of tea to be carries the tea for the fundraising for the team. So yeah, I'm just gonna have some taro for them because we already have cassava at home. So yeah, let's see Mandada Laviana from me. So yeah. So I'm gonna leave the camera there. This is one. The first taro. This is the second one. This is the third one, people. The fourth one. So this is the taro, people. I'm gonna go and look for some rope for it. So yeah. So people, it's time for me to head back to the village, and then and now I'm gonna go and find some firewood on the way to the village for the tea. So like at 4 o'clock like that, the tea is gonna be ready. for the people. It's gonna the tea people is like 150 for the people in the village. They're not part of the team. The people in the village is gonna be 150 and the team is gonna be $2. One team, one person that is 100. So yeah. So I'm just gonna get some coconut so I can take it back to the house. For Sunday I think we're gonna eat fish vagal tomorrow. So yeah. Just like what I say, at least when you go back like this at home, when you're living in the farm, at least you get something back to the house. Because you're gonna eat it every single day. You plant it, you harvest it, and at least you take something at your home. So yeah. So people, we're gonna go down this forest and see if we can find some firewood on it. So let's go. So people, I can't find firewood over here. So let's try another place. So you can see firewoods. We found one, people. This is it. And it's like this. It's bamboo. Like this one. That you can use it for firewood. So I will clean it and then back to you. So this is the firewood, people, and then I will see you in the village because I have to carry the stuff. So yeah, let's go. So people, I'm in the village now. I already cut the firewood here. And this is the place that we're gonna do a tea, and then we will back for you when the fundraising is start. So yeah. And it's time to go and do the tea, just to light up the fire and everything. It's 2:30 now. 2:30, 1.5 hours for the tea. Then the other hours is for drinking tea. So let's see how the fundraising goes. So the fire is already on, people. Then it's time for the pot. Look people, it's the pot is already. Look at the firewood. Now it's time for the water to go inside. There's the water. Started to be tawas. So yeah. Ono nasud. Chin nasud. Piwa. Minta money there. This is the kettle. Huh? Gobi? Another one?
Yes. Never think of any balance.
Can you explain what you're doing?
What we're doing here is to boil the water.
For what?
For our fundraising today.
Right.
Yeah, for that team. Nasiriva Rugby Club.
$4 for a cup of tea.
$4 for a cup of tea. Very expensive. Yeah, set to have.
Ada tu anggur ni tokai rada anggur. Oh, we need this one nga. This cover nga. To cover. So it can stabilize the yamamis at the materials. Yeah. See.
This one.
Tektal na naman kiti. So people, this is the bread. 5 dozen of bread. The bread nga from the village. Kaji. This is Navi. Navi, how was the water?
Huh?
How was the water?
Good.
Good? Thank you, thank you. This is a kamunin delikante.
Kamu delikante. Order this.
Jay, sing me one song. Sing me one song.
Song of what? Song of what?
Huh?
No, you sing a song.
You sing.
No, you get it this.
You sing.
No, you sing.
You.
Okay,
You
what
sing
song?
the
What?
Long Son You.
The Chico.
This is the farewell from Nasiriva. Time to Surakadam books. Come, come.
Yeah. So, you go. I'm
Surakadam.
already bad.
Nichi. The big carriage. Surakatu. Time to Surak. Open, man, open. Let's see the hot. Yeah, starting, yeah.
Yes.
Mobilize.
A little bit. Monggan bulu.
Naik monggan bulu. Ngor. Bang!
Mati.
Give the money, boy.
Play partner,
What they doing?
they're playing marble.
What?
They're playing marble.
Wait. You know,
Huh?
you want to say something? You didn't want to play?
No.
Yep.
Tul. Wow. So this is the bread. Huh? So people can think star milk. Kita ando bulma po magnili.
So, vamos a una zona sur. Kung yung nang naman sorti yung matinterses na sur. Tambara na. So. Kambas to matinterses na sur. Kambas to matinterses. Nami mo sana. Okay, nami mo sana.
Ako kumain na pati.
Sabi ka. So people, each of every team have things to do for the fundraising. So some people buying milk, some buying butter, jam, and bread. So yeah, and then we come into the fundraising together. So yeah, let's see. Sugar time, people. Pakur bang go.
Kasi pun nang ulik ini.
Oi.
Balis mo kito. Buang kami. Patay na choke.
Choke. Choke away.
Oh, bakal dua.
Sosok.
Sosok kami na. Okay, sumunod ko siya. Mata ni...
Coba. Si sosok. How is it? Sosok. Piwa boy.
Basta teman ko.
Baso talaga dulu. Isa-set na dulu. This is mixed with the lemongrass. Yeah, the grass. Hah?
Saya.
Ayo mana? Sama deh. Mana? Tes.
Sebenarnya mana suka nggak nih boleh. Mana tanah suka? Kunci.
Bos mikir.
Berpiu.
Kunci.
Cici.
My boy, cheese ready, cheese.
Yeah.
Where you going?
I go over there and come back.
Oh, thank you, boy.
See you later.
Okay. Nabi.
Kaci.
How's it? Manda yo dish.
So.
Ouchie.
Tea is ready.
He is ready.
Take this, boy.
Thank you, boy.
Okay.
This is the nasib.
Kan bulta ka.
Utur chicken. Iyo. Walu ko sa soko ngo boy soko.
Kunci masuk lu. Dua. Macam. Berapa?
Songo berem, songo. Songo boy. Songo berem. Iyo. Panabu. Songo ba na kata chuko. Ngor me fresh tea. Kunci.
Hey baby.
Mantap.
Andola. Andola. Uy. Nanti minggu mili. Mereka tekat.
Benak boy. Oh, terserah iku. Hah? Lamun melurikan suku.
Bakal dua.
Wanana.
Kena pakai cuci lalu.
Starting to all people. No, we don't want coins here. We want the peppers. Oh, pinaka ko na boli. Pinaka boy.
Naka.
Wa kay ko kununci. Kununcoy ko.
Thank you.
My house the tea. Good, eh?
Main gor barong akan barong gor main.
How's it mo? Good, eh? Good mix, eh?
Main. Iku me boleh na dumbil.
Andu bulma.
Main. Meron sira iro lang may keso may.
Uncle.
Oi,
How's it?
good.
This man the milk, boy. Very young, the milk.
Taste the milk. Yeah, after this I'm gonna go and taste the knee problem.
Knee problem. After coming back from
Stay in the village.
Libya,
Stay in the village. Fall from the coconut tree. Stay in the village. No. We
No
do the walk.
injured, eh?
We walk like this. We lift the heavy things. No problem.
No problem.
In injury. This one go to the resort there. Many girls there.
1 week.
Climb the coconut tree.
Didn't get along of the coconut tree. Just climb, eh?
Yeah, see,
That's good,
See,
that's good.
stepper,
That's good.
stepper.
Be better. Be better soon.
How's the tea?
I'm finished my tea. See my cup. Very small, eh?
Yeah.
But the bread very good.
I'm not asking the cup, I'm asking how's the tea?
The tea very good too.
Oi. So, and that's it, people. In the fundraising video, that's how we do fundraising for our money, for raising money on rugby team. So yeah, we're gonna do the rugby meeting this afternoon, and then give a comment if you want to see our vlog on rugby. And then enjoy the video. Till next time, people.